Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. We have a gadget called cordless pressure water. Please subscribe and share. Now guys, what is cordless pressure water? What are the parts of a cordless pressure washer and how to use it, guys? Okay guys, the cordless pressure washer has its parts and component. Like first up we have, okay, that's the main component. Okay, the first up we have the 48-volt lithium battery. That's the first parts of the cordless pressure washer. Now we have two nozzles. The red one is the 0-degree nozzles, and the second one is the 45-degree nozzle. Again, to continue it, we have the charger. Okay, because cordless pressure washer is portable, you can bring it everywhere as long as there is water. Now we have the stainless steel extender, the hose, the water filter. It's really important para hindi papasok yung dumi at hindi masira ang makina ng ating cordless pressure washer or the motor itself. Okay guys, to continue it, we will be assembling our cordless pressure washer. Now you see the component of it, para siyang merong male component and the female component sa battery. At paano siya isaksak, guys. Here it is, how it is. Align it, okay, para hindi masira. Careful, okay, hanggang malalak na siya. Okay, there you go, the battery is in already. The next parts line in it is the stainless steel extender and the 0-degree nozzle. Okay, paano siya ipapasok? Parang meron siyang parang lock, you need to push it down, push it also down yung parang lock niya until such time na papasok na siya there, maglalak at magsasound siya, guys. Okay, paano siya ikakabit? Be careful, wag masyado higpitan kasi baka sobrang higpit natin, masisira yung higpitan natin, then our cordless pressure washer ay masisira, guys. Okay, there you go. Oops, okay, there you go. Now we need the hose connector now. Okay, ganun din, higpitan din natin siya, pero hindi masyado mahigpit para to avoid mabali yung kinakabitan niya, guys. Now we need to pull it down gently and lock it. Okay, now our cordless pressure is ready to do the test. Now guys, I have two video here. The first video I'm showing to you is using the 0-degree nozzle, and the second video is the 45 0-degree nozzles. Guys, the 0-degree nozzle, nakikita nyo how the water goes out. Napaka penetrating niya. So kahit na medyo marumi yung malalim na kaunti na parts, maabot ng water niya, guys. So, pag 0-degree nozzle, it's penetrating, okay? Para malinis, kagaya ng air condition, okay? Pwede natin siyang linisan gamit ng 0-degree nozzle. The next part video, guys, is the sofa. So, ang gamit ko dito is 45-degree nozzle. Bakit? Parang scattered yung tubig niya para how to clean it. Hindi ka masyado gagamit ng maraming tubig on how to clean your sofa, di ba? Paglabas ng tubig para siyang scattered, no? Hindi kagaya nung 0-degree, napaka-pointed lang. Okay, guys? Hopefully you get knowledge from me sa 0-degree at 45-degree how to use them. Okay, guys? Thank you. Keep safe. Bye.